morning and good day to you, everybody. My name is Bhavani, and I'm the director of Nature Nudge. We are a local Singapore startup. We make fresh fermented probiotic drinks and foods for you right here in Singapore, artisanal and handcrafted. Today we are going to talk to you about Beet Street, our first product, and we'll tell you about where we make it, how we make it, and its key benefits for you. So let's run you through the process of how Beet Street is made. The first step is that we responsibly source the beetroot from countries which have low insecticide and pesticide usage history, like Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam. And then we process the beet so that we clean it up and remove the surface pesticide and insecticide. The next step is to chop it up into the appropriate sizes and add the spices. Then it goes through a 3-stage fermentation. By the end of the process, you can see that all the nutritive value of the beetroot is extracted into the kvass. That is what Beet Street is. We take the bacteria that has been cultivated over the process of fermentation and decant it out. That is what is bottled and sold to you as Beet Street. So let's talk about the origins of Beet Street. It's a combination product between beet kvass and Russian beet kvass and Indian kanji. So Russian beet kvass is the way where we pick up a lot of the fermentation methodologies from. There's documentation that this product was almost 1,000 years old, and there are some lovely stories about Russian soldiers who went into a plague-ridden area to help them boost their immunity before they went to assist the local people there. They were given a lot of beet kvass. That's interesting because that's how beet kvass works. It actually works from inside out and helps build up the gut biome well so that the immunity of the body is boosted. Beetroot naturally contains a couple of very strong strains of bacteria. One is like Lactobacillus, Leuconostoc, Acetobacter, Gluconobacter. These are some of the strains of bacteria that exist on beetroot, and that's what we harvest to make the probiotic drink. And it's a savory drink entirely. We do not add any sugar to it, so it is keto, and it is fairly low on the glycemic index. So one of the questions people ask us is that, beetroot is so high in natural sugars, so should a person who is diabetic, can they consume it? And the answer is absolutely yes, because there is no added sugar to this. And second thing is that when we make it in this way, the glycemic index of the residual product is quite low. So this is not beet juice. It is basically fermented beetroot in a kind of water. Okay. Now, what you will observe is that it is entirely savory, as I mentioned, and it is spicy. It has spicy overtones so that it's tasty as well. But there are people who have a love and hate relationship with it. So people who like savory tastes would like it. And for the ones who like sweeter products, we have a couple of other ranges that we'll talk to you about in the next couple of videos. I want to tell you that beetroot is very high in iron, as we all know, but as we ferment it, the iron level rises by almost 58 times as per a lot of documentation that I have read, scientific documentation. Okay, it becomes far more bioavailable to the body, and we can work with that. Our body can work with that iron much better. Another aspect is the nitrate level of beetroot, and beetroot is naturally known to have very high levels of good nitrates, and these nitrates help in actually lowering blood pressure. So people who have concerns that when we drink Beet Street, shall we, it is salt based, it is savory based, that is, will it cause us blood pressure issues? So clearly the answer is in all probability it should not. You should of course monitor it as you consume, but in all probability it should not, because the nitrates that are residual in beetroot itself help you lower your blood pressure, not rise it. Nitrates have another beautiful impact, and that is enhanced sports performance. So for all those of us who try to lose weight and do that extra running, or serious athletes, this is a very good thing to consider, because beetroot itself has excellent nitrates which help in sports performance enhancement. And we in addition add a lot of Himalayan pink salt to this, and there is no normal salt added at all, so it is low in sodiums, but it is high in all the other minerals as well, so like magnesium, phosphorus, which are essential for a body to recover when they do sports, intensive sports activity. Need to talk about is how it affects women's health. So issues like PCOD or menopausal bloating, we have had lots of customers who come back and tell us that Beet Street has significantly helped those issues. And the natural zinc, with it being high in iron, actually helps us know that it is well in tune with trying to handle women's health issues. You can always talk to your nutritionist about it as well. I'd like to spend a little time telling you about the origins of this product. It took me almost 8 months of tinkering in my kitchen to design it and get it to a nice standardized level. In fact, the first time I made Manisha taste it, she's a kind of person who doesn't normally like vegetables and fruits, and forget her eating beet anytime. She absolutely loved the product, but it has a savory taste, so there are many people who will love it, there are many people who will hate it. I look forward to you to tasting this product and telling us what you think. If you wish to contact us, the link is below our Facebook page as well as our WhatsApp number. You can always reach us. We are at Nature Magica to serve you, and we make fresh drinks for you.